Hi viewers, welcome back to Accounting Pro. My name is Irfan Yusuf. In this video, we will learn that how we can create a chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. Let's start the lesson and go to our QuickBooks Online portal. First of all, we will do that. We will click on the gear icon at top right corner, and in the gear icon, we will click on chart of accounts. There is one tab, chart of accounts, and there is other tab which says reconcile, match the books to bank records. Currently we don't have any transaction in QuickBooks Online, so reconciliation cannot be done at this stage. So what we will do, that we will directly jump into the chart of accounts screen. So click on see your chart of accounts, and here the chart of accounts list. You can see that in the chart of account windows there are multiple head of accounts already there, which means that QuickBooks is suggesting you some prepared chart of accounts. At top right you can see that there is a new button and import button, which means that you can create your new account and you can also import the chart of accounts from here. If we check the columns of chart of accounts, you can see that there is a number, there is a name, type, detail type, QuickBooks balance, bank balance, and the last column is action. Action means we can click on any account and can edit or check the history. At the top right of the chart of account, you can see a bulk edit button, which means that you can click on edit and you can bulk edit all chart of accounts, provide account numbers, names, types, etc. Right after the bulk button, there is a print button, which means that you can print your chart of accounts. And after the print button, there is another gear icon to customize your columns in chart of account, which means that which columns do you want to show or which columns do you want to hide. You can do it from here, and you can also set the number of rows to display at a single page. So here is the first look of your chart of accounts. Now if we see that the first line of chart of accounts, there is a cash and cash equivalents, and account type is cash and cash equivalent, and detail type is cash and cash equivalent as well. Let's edit this account and check what we can do. So if we will click on the drop down arrow at right side account history, there are four options: connect bank, edit, make inactive, and run report. If there is a data, then you can use all of these four options. So let's create a fresh account in chart of accounts and go to top of the chart of accounts and click the new button. So once we will click on the new button, you can see a pop-up menu asking you to create a new account. Here we will create a new account and start how we can do it in QuickBooks Online. At first level, we will select the account type. In the account type list, there are multiple account types: account receivable, current assets, cash and equivalents, fixed assets, non-current assets, accounts payable, credit card, current liabilities, non-current liabilities, owner's equity, income, other, cost of sales, etc. Click cash and cash equivalents. Let's say we are going to create the cash and cash equivalent account. Second level is a detail type, which means that in the cash and cash equivalent window, what is the nature of account? Is it a bank account? Is a cash and cash equivalent parent account, cash on hand, client trust account, money market, rents held in trust, or saving account? Whichever is suitable, click the account. So we are going to create a parent account, then we will select a cash and cash equivalents, and let's provide the name cash and cash equivalents. In the number field, we will provide the account number, which means the account code. Here is the 001, and then we will create the description and click save and close. Once we will click save and close, you can see that our account is created with 001 account code, account type cash and cash equivalents, and detail type is also cash and cash equivalents. Now we will create another account in the sub level of main parent account. So we will edit an existing account, change its nature from cash and cash equivalent to bank. We will give it a name cash at bank, account number or account code, and then description, bank balances, and then we will make it the sub account of the cash and cash equivalents. Click save and close. Once save and close, you can create another account which will be another sub level of this second account. Let's say it is the Standard Bank, and in the Standard Bank there is a account code, and in the account code there is a description that Standard Bank. And once creating the sub account, now we will make it the sub account of cash at banks and click save and close. Now look at the structure of chart of accounts. You can see there is a parent level 1, there is a sub level, and there is another sub level. Cash and cash equivalents is parent, cash at bank is the second level, and then in the cash at banks there is a Standard Bank. So this is how we will create our chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. You can do it by yourself. Create a parent account, then a second level, then a third level. I'm creating one other account, and you can see that there are levels: level 1, sub level 1, sub level 2, and then again parent level 1. So this is the QuickBooks Online, in which you can create your chart of account in very easy steps. Please let me know if you have any queries. You can drop your message in comment box. Please don't forget to like the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching Accounting Pro, and take care.